Kuningi okusazoshiwo, kuningi okusazokwenzeka, kuningi okwenzakalayo kuleli qembu. Kodwa uma umuntu o-analyze-ayo ocubungulayo izinto njengathi, uzoyeka konke nje bese ume eceleni, ungabaleki uhlale. Zibhuduzele, zijahane, zijikelane ngey'punu, zijikelane ngamapleti, wena nje bese ubuyele eceleni. Ngoba phela iqembu lisakwisigaba sokuqala, beginning phase. So nombani usazibona kuyena ongenza kangcono, nowazi kangcono. Abanye bafuna izikhundla, kungathi bane-capacity bengenayo, kungathi bazodeliver bengeke, kungathi bayazi bengazi. Abanye babona imali ifanele bona, ibene kumele kuba amakhansela, ibona kumele babe omeya, ibona this, ibona that. Kuningi, kuyaphithiza. Mu-analyze kahle izinto, yeka nje iqembu uma seliqala 4 years kuyale zobe seliya ngokulunga-ke. Kobe sekuvuka abantu within the same organization abazobe sebephethe i-ideology ye-organization, beyihlupha ngoku-understanda and interpret i-constitution ye-organization. Okwamanje vele kusaphithiza. That is why-ke umuntu onjengami engawaste isikhathi sakhe edefendana nama-individuals. Wana angikwazi ukudefenda umuntu engingamazi. Angikwazi futhi ukuhlasela umuntu engingamazi ngithi uyenzile into ngoba nangibona i-trend. Angikwazi ukumhlasela. Number 2, angikwazi ukumdefenda futhi ngoba ngimazi. Akekho umuntu ongathi wakwangibona mina ngidefenda umuntu la kwi-social media we-MK. Angikwenzi lokho. Angimdefend umuntu ngoba ngimazi, ngazi iqembu. Angim-attack futhi umuntu ngoba ngimazi, ngazi iqembu. Kodwa into engiyazi iqembu kumele iqembu ngilidefend, and kumele futhi iqembu icontribute ekulakheni iqembu. Okwamanje kusaphithiza. Kodwa kumele ukuthi ngibekezele, ngihlale, ngibe nethemba lokuthi kusuka ku4 years kuyale kuzoba khona ithuba lokwakha i-organization, ibe iqembu labantu. Ngoba phela abantu bazobe sebeyicoshile izinto zabo abayifunayo, sebenake zona into zabo. Uyabona?
Mhla ka-25 kuMarch 2026, uSecretary General womkhonto wesizwe Party okusibonelo Nomvalo wazisa amalungu omkhonto wesizwe Party ukuthi kunekomiti elibhekelele ama-policies eqenjini lomkhonto wesizwe Party. Ngizokucaphunela lo video ngoba i-MK Party izoba ne-policy conference yayo yokuqala, ngisho njalo i-conference yokuqala ye-MK Party ezoba nayo lapho bazokhuluma khona ngama-policies nanokuthi i-MK Party imeleni kahle kahle, ifuna uku-achieve ini, iziphi ixazululo bona abathi beza nazo noma abazozipresent eParliament njengamabhili abasuke bezowasubmita kanjalo njalo. Nanokuthi uma bekhuluma nomphakathi bakhulume ngazwilinye ukuthi i-MK Party ifuna uku-achieve lokhu ngalendlela kanje. Ngakho-ke ngizokucaphunela uSecretary General okusibonelo Nomvalo esho ukuthi ngobani lawo ma-members lawo omkhonto wesizwe Party ayikomiti elibhekelele ama-policies eqenjini lomkhonto wesizwe Party.
Policy Formulation Subcommittee. This committee will focus on consolidating party policies and will be constituted as follows. The chairperson of the committee is Comrade Lucky Montana. The deputy chairperson of the committee is Comrade Khanyisile Litchfield Shabalala. Members of the committee are as follows. Is Comrade Sali Dlamini, Comrade John Dlela, Comrade Dr. Mtanti, Comrade Andile Mqedama, Comrade Jabu Khoza, Comrade Kwenzokuhle Madlala, and Comrade Advocate Dalimpofu, SC.
Statement umkhonto wesizwe Party usikhiphe ngomhla ka-30 kuMeyi 2026. Isihloko sithi umkhonto wesizwe Party Policy Conference Announcement. The Umkhonto wesizwe Party, MK Party, is pleased to formally announce the date for its policy conference, which will be held at Beachwood Hotel and OR Tambo Conference Center from the 3rd of July to the 5th of July 2026. From the 3rd to the 5th of July 2026. This important gathering will bring together delegates from across the country to deliberate on key policy issues and contribute to shaping the future direction of the South Africa. The conference will focus on a broad range of strategic sectors and national priorities, including 1. Constitutional amendments, 2. The economy, financial markets and development, 3. Mining and mineral beneficiation, 4. Healthcare and indigenous medicine, 5. Education and skills development, 6. Decolonization and transformation, 7. Arts, culture, and the creative industries, 8. Expropriation of land without compensation, 9. Agriculture and food security, 10. Labor and employment creation, 11. Energy, infrastructure, and sustainable development. The policy conference will provide a platform for a robust engagement, policy formulation, and the development of practical solutions aimed at addressing the challenges facing South Africa and advancing the aspirations of its people. Further details regarding the conference program, registration, accommodation, and logistical arrangements will be communicated in due course. All official communications regarding the policy conference will be handled by the national spokesperson, Comrade Sifiso Mahlangu. Isona-ke statement lesi esikhishwa umkhonto wesizwe party abazisa khona amalungu omkhonto wesizwe party ukuthi kuzoba ne-policy conference kusuka ngomhla ka-3 ukuya kumhla ka-5 kuJulayi 2026. Bazibhalile-ke iy'hloko abazokhulumela phekwazo. Angikhumbuli ngizwa kuthiwa umkhonto wesizwe party wakwaba nayo i-conference enjengale oyi-policy conference ngaphambilini, mhlampe ingeyokuqala. Ngakho-ke asilindeleke ukubona ukuthi bazoyisingatha kanjani, izoza namiphi imiphumela. Kodwa nje uma ingasibe impumelelo, lokho kuzonika abantu abangamalungu omkhonto wesizwe party ithemba lokuthi ngelinye ilanga bazokwazi ukuhosta ama-conference, bekwazi ukuthi baxoxe. Into engiyifisela umkhonto wesizwe party yodwa mina, engiyifisela nje umkhonto wesizwe party yodwa, ile ebahlulayo, ile yokuthi uma ningavumelananga ngembono bese uyasuka wena uyomkhuluma omunye, noma uma kungenzekanga ngendlela wena ofisa ngayo usuyogxeka umephe kwentaba ugxeke. Uma bengadlula nje kuleso sigaba ukuthi uma ngabe besifuna ukuqoka nangu usibanibani kodwa wagcina engaqokwanga, kunokuthi-ke sithi kulungile asenzele iqembu sisapothe lo sifuna ukumbheka amaphutha simbheke amabala. Ingakho uChilisa ethe okwamanje akeze ukusho lutho yena, kodwa yena ubheke iqembu ngoba uyazi ukuthi okwamanje abantu basazisebenzela bona, bakafika esigabeni sokuthi basebenzele iqembu. Ngiyufisela umkhonto wesizwe party ukuthi ungafika kuleso sigaba lapho ofuneka ubeke khona iqembu phambili kunomuntu. Bafunde kwamanye ama-political party, babengafunda nje kwamanye ama-political party ukuthi ukuma ngumuntu oseqembini elilodwa naye ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana akulisizi iqembu, akumsizi futhi nalowo muntu lo osukumi ngaye. Ilokho nje engibafisela khona, ngoba leyo nto ave ibahlupha, ikakhulukazi ngesikhathi kwakusekhona uFloyd. Yayingenhle. Angiyibambe le video, bengithi nje angikwazisa ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe party uzoba ne-policy conference okungeyokuqala ngomhla ka-3 ukuya kumhla ka-5 kuJulayi. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.